Start by turning off power at the outdoor disconnect and the main breaker so the unit is completely de-energized before you touch anything. With power off, locate the screws that secure the top to the cabinet. Different manufacturers place fasteners along the perimeter under the grille, on the fan motor bracket, or at corner posts. So reference your unit model if uncertain and keep a small magnetic tray or labeled containers for the fasteners as you remove them. Before lifting, look under the grille and note any wires or harnesses that run from the top to the control box. Many units have a short wiring pigtail or a flexible conduit that limits lift height, so gently free any clips or connectors while supporting the top. Position one person on each side for larger units because the top can be surprisingly heavy and awkward, and lift straight up without twisting to avoid shearing screws or bending the sheet metal. If the fan motor is mounted to the top assembly, brace the fan so blades do not turn or contact your hands when lifting, and keep the fan wired connector steady to prevent strain on the terminals. Set the top on a blanket or flat surface to avoid nicking the grille, and check that the compressor and electrical components remain undisturbed. Then clean coils and fins with a soft brush and a no-rinse coil cleaner, following the product directions and rinsing if recommended. When replacing the top, guide any wires back through their original paths, lower the top evenly until it seats, and hand thread screws first to confirm alignment before tightening to manufacturer torque guidelines. Common mistakes are lifting the top alone and dropping or bending the grille, which can damage fan blades or the motor, and the fix is to get help and lift evenly while protecting surfaces with a cloth. Another frequent error is not cutting power and touching live terminals or motors, which risks shock and component damage. So always verify the disconnect is off and use a non-contact voltage tester on terminals to confirm zero voltage. People also detach or stretch wiring connectors when lifting, which can loosen terminals or break insulation. Take time to unclip any harnesses or support wires and route them carefully when reassembling to maintain strain relief. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local HVAC technicians and other contractors with profiles, ratings, and project examples that let us compare options for repairs and maintenance. We also help contractors showcase their work and find new clients. And our site includes an active discussion community where we and other members exchange tips and recommendations on safe maintenance practices.